Hey there, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I believe each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि what all colleges are coming in for February batch this time. And of course, we will also discuss about the companies which came in these colleges in the previous batches, and also the companies which we can expect will be coming in these colleges for this upcoming February 2025 batch. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. Alright, so first if I talk about the colleges which came in for February 2024 batch, या फिर वो batch जो ठीक इससे पहले आया था like इसी साल, तो अगर मैं उन colleges की बात करूँ, there were mainly 3 colleges, namely IMI, International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida. Then we had TS Rahman Training Ship Rahman in Nhava Sheva, Mumbai. And we had AMET IST or AMET Institute of Science and Technology in Chennai, also known as Maersk Center of Excellence, where DNS has been recently started in the year 2023. Yes, this time in February 2025 batch as well, we will surely have these institutes which I've already named, and apart from these we also have a probability of new institutes coming in for February batch, like we have HIMT, we have Ganpat University and also Manet as well. Alright, now if I talk about the 3 colleges which came in last year and have been coming from a very long time. So I had gathered quite a lot of knowledge about these colleges, more specifically the February batch, because I had a lot of my batchmates and my juniors studying in these colleges. So first if I talk about IMI, International Maritime Institute, Greater Noida, it is a wonderful institute. I have a lot of juniors from budding mariners studying in this institute as well. So yes, in February batch you will be having 40 seats here in IMI Noida. Alright, now if I talk about the companies which came in IMI in February 2024 batch, the companies were Volim, Fleet, Dockendale and XT. एंड अगर मैं प्रीवियस बैचेस की और बात करूँ, लाइक बहुत पहले से जो कंपनीज आ रही है, इन 4 कंपनीज के अलावा वी ऑल्सो हैव MSc, we also have MMSI and companies like PIL coming in for sponsorship in February batch as well. So if you are eligible, if you have attained a rank, you should surely look after your preparation and you should surely fill the forms for IMI.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन आर्ट. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Alright, now if I talk about the next institute, which is TS Rahman, Training Ship Rahman, situated in Nhava Sheva, Mumbai. Again, it is a very good college with a great legacy, like a very old institute, and it has less fees as well. Like the fee compared to other maritime training institutes, TS Rahman offers students with a less fee program for DNS as well. So if I talk about the number of seats in TS Rahman for February batch, again it will be 40 seats, and the companies which came in the previous February 2024 batch were Goodwood. Majority students came in from Fleet Management Limited, and there were few students from like shifted students from Synergy, and few Williamson Ship Management students as well, like sponsored cadets as well. And there are other companies like Scorpio as well, which come in for February batch as per the requirement. So yes, we can expect these companies coming in again for February 2025 batch in TS Rahman. Alright, now if I talk about the third institute and my last institute, which would be AMET University, Chennai. Now last year when I was preparing for sponsorship and IMUCET, AMET came in for the very first time for DNS. And yes, they had recently, like last year itself, they had made their new institute called AMET IST, or also known as Maersk Center of Excellence, where all these Maersk sponsored cadets of BSc Nautical Science and BTech Marine Engineering are trained, and also all the DNS programs or the DNS sponsored cadets are sent in that particular institute for their pre-C course. If I talk about the number of seats in February batch for AMET University, it would be again 40 seats. Alright, now if I talk about the companies which came in this previous February 2025 batch in AMET University, I would say they were again majorly from Fleet Management Limited. There were around 11 students from MMSI and a few students from Varin Marine Shipping and Dynacom. Now, as it is a new institute, we can expect that more companies will be coming in this upcoming February batch as well. Alright, now AMET being a new institute, of course we can expect new companies coming in for sponsorship in this upcoming February 2025 batch as well. Which brings me to the last segment of today's video, which will be a short update on the shifted students of Synergy and MSc. Like recently our students from budding mariners have been receiving mails from Synergy and MSc as well. Like those students who are currently unable to join these courses but have cleared, and due to number of seats, less number of seats in institutes, few of them have been shifted to the February batch. So yes, we can expect MSc sponsored cadets and Synergy sponsored cadets to be shifted in colleges like HIMT for Synergy and in colleges like IMI or TS Rahman for MSc. So yes, we can expect a lot of companies coming in this upcoming February batch. So if in case you're preparing, I would recommend you to prepare very well, and prepare good and stay focused to clear these upcoming sponsorship tests and interviews. I wish you all the very best for your upcoming examinations. So yes, that will be it from my side for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.